And some of your listeners, may remember the art of the motorcycle in New York City in the Guggenheim. Well, 22 of those motorcycles that were in that exhibit came from the Barber collection. So we actually have a special area inside the museum that's like those 22 bikes, because that was the catalyst for this place, because he fell in love with the spiral architecture of that building in New York City. So when you walk in, there's a wow spot, I call it. You kind of go 2 steps past where the wall opens up, and you stand there, and you're like, wow, and you see the spiral. So everything.
Hey, at 10 when I come through, I want to know the wow spot.
Well, you'll find it.